April 7, 1945. 17-year-old Klaus Hahn of Sonderkommando Elbe climbs into his worn-out Bf-109, knowing his mission is nearly suicidal. Ram a B-17 bomber mid-air. Moments after takeoff, he loses his squadron, and then a pack of P-51 Mustangs dive straight at him. The fighters tear past, swing around, and unleash a barrage of .50 caliber fire. Hahn tries desperately to dodge, but his slow, damaged 109 cannot escape. Bullets rip through his cockpit, shattering metal and slicing into his arm. He reaches for the throttle, only to realize his arm isn't working at all. He has to bail. He flips the aircraft upside down, trying to escape, but his limp arm knocks against the canopy. As he falls through the clouds, he suddenly spots something below that freezes his blood. A full formation of B-17s, the bombers he blames for the destruction of his home. Fueled by rage, he grabs the controls with his good hand and dives. He rams the tail of a B-17, tearing it open, knocking the tail gunner off his feet, and then everything goes black. Meanwhile, inside the B-17, Captain Bud Wentz fights to keep his crippled aircraft alive. The rudder and elevator are completely destroyed. The only control he has left is the engines. Using pure skill, he steers the dying bomber with throttle alone, slipping out of formation and searching desperately for a place to land. Finally, he spots a tiny airstrip deep inside Germany. With one shot to get it right, Wentz drops